welcome to WigganRC, and I finally got a chance to get this bad boy out and give it a ride. Unfortunately, I got my GoPro stolen, so I've had to try and rig up something with my phone, so it's going to be a bit of a shaky video. But here it is, the F37 I got from Stealth. I changed the seat to something a bit more comfortable because, gosh, when you're going off road, really painful. But here's the bike, and here's all of the gear. It's got the computer on there. Turn it all on, put your code in, and I've bought a quad lock for my phone, and I've got the Magura brakes on there and so forth. Haven't done much upgrades as such, except for my own little custom LED light that I've put there. But enjoyable, and I've got my POC helmet there, and I'm taking the bad boy camper out for the first time. So just set up. We're in Taronga Falls, and that's about 2 hours, hour and a half, 2 hours out of Melbourne, and ready for a little bit of fun.
This is fun. Bye.
I'm a simple man, don't want a complication.
Cooking dinner. Got some sweet potato in foil in there. I'm cooking some veggies and some quinoa there. Can't beat food on the open fire. Oh, that was exhilarating. Oh, that was great. Oh, fantastic track.